Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you will be doing well. This is your computer online video lecture. In this lecture, we'll do question C part 1, 2, 3, 4 and question F part 3 of unit number 3 more on word. So let's start our today's lecture. Now open the page number 85, question C part 1, header and footer. The answer of this question is on page number 83, key point number 30 and 31. You will mark this answer from the header to bottom margin. The header is a section of the document that appears in the top margin. The footer is a section of the document that appears in the bottom margin. Students, the header is a section of the document that appears in the top margin, whereas the footer is a section of the document that appears in the bottom margin. Question C part 2, formatting and editing text. The answer of this question is on page number 64 and 57. First of all, students, open the page number 64. First of all, students, you will mark this answer from a feature to important text. A feature in Word that can enhance the appearance of the text in a document is called formatting text. By using this feature, a user can use various fonts, styles, and colors to highlight important text. Now, students, open the page number 57. After this, you will mark this answer from the process to performed. The process of adding, removing, and rearranging the text in a document is called text editing. In order to edit text, first it is selected and then any operation is performed. Students, now we'll discuss that what is the difference between formatting text and editing text. फॉर्मेटिंग टेक्स्ट आपके माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड में मौजूद एक ऐसा फीचर है जो आपके डॉक्यूमेंट में मौजूद टेक्स्ट की अपीयरेंस को इन्हांस करने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. By using this feature, a user can use various font styles and colors to highlight important text. Whereas text editing एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है जिसमें आप अपने डॉक्यूमेंट में मौजूद टेक्स्ट को ऐड, रिमूव और रीअरेंज कर सकते हैं. And in order to edit text, first it is selected and then any operation can be performed. Question C part 3. Zoom in and zoom out. The answer of this question is on page number 83, key point number 10 and 11. You will mark this answer from zoom in makes the text to image smaller. Zoom in makes the text or image larger. Zoom out makes text or image smaller. Students, अगर आप अपने text और image को large करना चाहते हैं, then you will select the feature zoom in. और अगर आप अपने टेक्स्ट और इमेज को स्मॉल करना चाहते हैं देन यू विल सेलेक्ट द फीचर जूम आउट. क्वेश्चन सी पार्ट 4, बुलेट एंड बॉर्डर. द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑल्सो ऑन पेज नंबर 83, की पॉइंट नंबर 24 एंड 25. You will mark this answer from in typesetting to called border. In typesetting, a bullet is merely a graphical element such as a ball or dot or other such symbols used to highlight items in a list. Different types of lines that a user can add to the top, bottom, or sides of a paragraph to highlight the text is called border. Students, now we'll discuss the difference between bullets and border. A bullet is actually a graphical element such as a ball or dot or any other symbols that is used to highlight items. Whereas border is the different types of lines that a user can add to the top, bottom or sides of a paragraph to highlight the text. Question F part 3. What do you know about line spacing? How can we change line spacing of an entire document and in related part of a document? The answer of this question is on page number 64 plus 65. Now open the page number 64. You will mark this answer from the amount of vertical space. Now move on to page number 65 to set it. The amount of vertical space between lines of text is known as line spacing. In Word 2010, the default line spacing is 1.15. It is okay for some users because the sentences do not seem so cramped together, but a user can also customize it. Students, vertical space between lines of text is known as line spacing. And the default line spacing in Word 2010 is 1.15 because sentences do not seem so cramped together in spacing 1.15, but a user can also customize it according to their requirements. To change the line spacing of an entire document, proceed as follows. Number 1, open blank document and type is equals to rand bracket and then press enter key. Sample text will appear. Number 2, select the change styles, then style set from the styles group of home tab. Number 3, hover the pointer over different style sets in the list. Their live preview will be displayed. Number 4, click on any style. Here manuscript, the entire document will change. Students, now we'll discuss that how we can change the line spacing of an entire document. We have to follow some steps. Number 1, open the blank document and type is equals to rand bracket and then press enter key so the sample text will appear on your screen. Number 2, select the change styles, then style set from the styles group of home tab. However, different style sets in the list and their live preview will be displayed. Number 4, you can click on any style so the entire document will change according to your selected style. Change the line spacing in selected parts of document. Number 1, highlight the text to change. Number 2, click on the line and paragraph spacing button in the paragraph group of home tab. Number 3, select the spacing you want. Live preview will be displayed on hovering over the different spacing options. Number 4, click on desired line spacing to set it. Students, if we want to change the line spacing of the selected parts of document, then we will follow some steps. Number 1, you will highlight the text to change. After this, click on the line and paragraph spacing button in the paragraph group of home tab. After this, you will select the spacing you want so the live preview will be displayed on your screen. After this, click on desired line spacing to set it. Okay students, that's all for today. We will meet inshallah in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.